Hey guys, how you doing? I'm back. Stu is back at me. I'm gonna show you how to do the oil life reset in this 2018 Toyota CHR. Alright, all you gotta do is use this guy right here, trip. Make sure it's in trip A, right there. Now what you're gonna do is, right now is, I wanna shut it down, okay? Just press it twice. Look for trip A, okay? Look for trip A with this button. Put it right there. Now you're gonna press it and hold it. Press it and hold it, and then press the start button. Okay. Press it and hold it. Press the start button once. Now press it again. Press it twice, and you're gonna see that. Now when you see those dash gone, stop pressing it, and that's how you reset the oil life in this 2018 Toyota CHR. Thank you for watching. Highlight your boy Stu. See you in the next one. Boom.